minutes after, in fact, the President Murmu had spoken in her speech and appealed to rise above politics as far as education is concerned. However, we are already finding out that NSUI, the students' wing of the Congress party, is staging a protest even as we speak. These are the live visuals which are coming in from the national capital of Delhi, where the NSUI is protesting against the alleged paper leak in NEET as well as NET UGC 2024. Remember, just minutes back, you had the president who said that this is about the future of our nation. Do not politicize it. Don't play politics over something as serious as paper leak. If there is a leak, then do probe it. But as you can see already, you have a lot of protests which are happening. Politicization has already begun. Ramey is joining us with more details. He's joining us live from the protest site of the NSUI. Ramey, what are the demands which are being made by NSUI? After all, the probes are already on. In the case of NET, there's also a CBI probe into it. Well, it looks like there's a lot of sound around Ramey. He may not be getting my audio. Let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, if you can tell us the mood on the ground right now around here. Well, of course, there's too much of commotion around them, so we are going to try and reconnect with both Niyamika as well as Ramey. But you can see the visuals. This hoarding on your screens, it says ban NTA, but the picture is that of the Prime Minister in that little poster that they are holding down. On the other hand, you have these big hoardings which have been put up saying this is a paper leak Sarkar. You can see that in the yellow right in the middle, paper leak Sarkar. And when it says ban NTA, it does not speak about the NTA, which remember is an autonomous body, but instead has the picture of the Prime Minister. So this is the kind of political posturing that we have from NSUI. But meanwhile, even as we keep these visuals going on the left-hand side of the protest by the Congress youth, we'll also get you what exactly was said by President Murmu just a short while back, making an appeal that don't politicize the future of Bharat. Listen in.
सरकारी भर्ती हो या फिर परीक्षाएं, सुनिए परीक्षाएं किसी भी कारण से इनमें रुकावट आए, ये उचित नहीं है। इनमें शुचिता और पारदर्शिता बहुत जरूरी है। हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षाओं में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है।